If there's anything better, it's something I miss. It just don't get any better than this.
I have chased that lonesome whistle rolling down the line. It's a feeling that's hard to explain.
But an Okie from Muskogee leave his